Good morning. The windstorm is over. And we got a slight wind this morning, but nothing like yesterday. And we are now on our way to have a little breakfast. And we're gonna go to a very famous spot here in Veracruz. And of course we're taking you along. We're gonna go into La Paraguaya for breakfast. I think the entrance is on the other side. Other side. Alright, we just finished breakfast and we're heading out. Breakfast kind of sucked, just to let you know. Jeannie won't let me come back here again. So this is the main square here in Veracruz. Morning! And as you can see, it's all decked out with poinsettias. Cafes and restaurants. A lot of them don't look like they're open.
They look abandoned, as a matter of fact. Look at this.
And then there is a bunch of hotels that surround this area as well. But in all honesty, this is pretty run down compared to a lot of the other places we've brought you to. All right, off to the bank to reload. That's right. We are actually not quite sure why people are always lined up at these banks. Almost as if there was a run on money or something like that. But there's always these lines at the banks. And none of these lines really have to do with the ATM for some reason. So it's not like you have to wait with everybody to get in. But we're going over to BBVA to reload. Okay, we've successfully reloaded. We went to the HCBC bank and the ATM worked perfectly. So we're back here at this town square and we're gonna just take a little walk this way, back towards the Malecon. Buenos dias. And it's like 11:15 in the morning, and things are just starting to open up. This could be an eating option too, right? Out here.
Smells too.
And we're back on the Malecon. As you can see, it's in the daytime pretty sparse of people. And as you already know, that's where we're staying, the Emporio. In Veracruz, this is a very renownedly famous cafe, the Grand Cafe de la Paraquilla. And they're famous for the lechero coffee, which is a very strong coffee in a glass, and then they pour hot milk from a kettle into the coffee. And it's actually pretty good. And we'll try and get a little footage of that for you. Just met my friend Steve here, who's given us some great information about Lima. And hey, Steve, where are you from?
LA.
LA?
Yeah.
And how long you been down in Mexico?
Well, I've been gone for almost 2 months. I was in Dominican Republic, Brazil, and I've been here for 2 weeks.
And how you managed to get off? Are you retired?
No, I make TV commercials, so I do contract work.
Nice, nice. So you're mixing work with pleasure.
Work with pleasure.
Very, very nice. Hey, thank you. I really appreciate all the information you gave us, and we'll see you out there in this big, beautiful world.
We'll see you somewhere on the road.
Thank you. John.
John, nice to meet you.
Okay.
Your wife is taking a snooze?
Yeah, she's probably pissed at me, as usual.
Well, enjoy everything.
Thank you. This is a pier going out into the harbor with some statues and stuff, but it's kind of closed, so we can't really, I don't think we're allowed to walk out there. It's not really defined whether this gate means no car traffic or no pedestrian traffic, so I guess we'll not go that way. Anyway, here's the beach area. I don't want to disparage Veracruz, but it's certainly not ranked up there with Oaxaca and Puebla and a lot of the other places we've been. It's, you know, kind of run down, old and
Dirty,
smelly, infested with pigeons.
and I wouldn't swim in this water if they paid me.
Rats with wings.